Hello everyone, welcome to NPTEL Chemistry E class. I am Chemistry Detective to solve your Chemistry class 11th NCERT problem 1.35 from your unit 1st, that is some basic concepts in chemistry. In fact, it is the second last exercise problem. And before start, let me share a recent story with you. Few days before, in class, I told students to introduce themselves. One by one, they introduced themselves. They told their name, where they live, etc., etc. But believe me, I could not remember even one single name. And then few days later, one student asked relevant questions to me, and my brain had to do some work in order to give answer to the student. And I was forced to inquire from the student about his name. And what I learned, that people don't remember your name. It is you who can make people to remember your name. So do good work so that people can remember your name. Now I will come to my work, which is problem solving in chemistry. Problem is, what mass of calcium carbonate is required to react completely with 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl. This problem is based on this chemical reaction. Calcium carbonate is made to react with aqueous HCl to form aqueous calcium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Now we have to answer what mass of calcium carbonate is required to react completely with 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl solution, aqueous HCl solution. So problem is based on concept reaction stoichiometry number 1 and concept number 2, concept of molarity. Any problem based on chemical reaction ought to follow reaction stoichiometry, and reaction stoichiometry is the quantitative information conveyed by balanced chemical equation in terms of moles, in terms of mass, or in terms of volumes of reactants and products, based on fact that stoichiometric coefficients represent moles and 1 mole has mass equal to molar mass, gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass or gram formula mass, and 1 mole of gas at STP occupies 22.4 liters. And molarity, you know that it is a number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Idea is that I will first calculate mass of HCl or weight of HCl. In chemistry I can say mass of HCl or weight of HCl, which is dissolved in its 25 ml 0.75 molar solution. So my first homework is that I will calculate mass of HCl which is dissolved which is dissolved in water in order to form 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl solution. And how I will calculate it? By using equation of molarity. Equation of molarity relates molarity with mass of solute dissolved, W2 multiplied by 1000, M2 multiplied by volume in ml. Molarity I know, molarity is given, molarity of aqueous HCl solution is given 0.75. Dissolved mass of HCl dissolved I need to calculate, multiplied by 1000. Molar mass of HCl is 36.5 grams. Volume of aqueous HCl solution is 25 ml. I need to solve this equation for W2, and I have already evaluated it, and value comes equal to 0.68 grams. 0.68 grams. So 0.68 grams of HCl are dissolved in 25 ml of aqueous HCl solution of molarity 0.75 molar. Now I will use reaction stoichiometry. Using this, I will use this mass of HCl which is dissolved in 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl solution to solve this problem. Stoichiometric coefficient of calcium carbonate is 1. So number of moles of calcium carbonate involved is 1. Stoichiometric coefficient of HCl is 2. So number of moles of HCl involved are 2. Now idea is that 1 mole of calcium carbonate has molar mass equal to 100 grams, and 2 moles of HCl has molar mass equal to 36.5 multiplied by 2, which comes equal to 73, grams. For 1 mole 36.5, for 2 moles 36.5 multiplied by 2, which will come equal to 73. Now this is the relation between reacted masses of calcium carbonate and HCl, and this stands fixed for this reaction, that for 100 grams of calcium carbonate we need to take 73 grams of HCl. These are stoichiometric masses of calcium carbonate and HCl. These are required masses of calcium carbonate and HCl, or I may say this is the relation, this is the fixed relation between reacted masses of calcium carbonate and HCl for this particular reaction, and this is called reaction stoichiometry. Now I will use this reaction stoichiometry in order to find how much mass of calcium carbonate will react with 0.68 grams of HCl. In other words, with 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl solution. I will use reaction stoichiometry. I will apply reaction stoichiometry. From reaction stoichiometry, it is clear to me that 73 grams of HCl react with 100 gram calcium carbonate. One gram HCl will react with 100 divided by 73 grams calcium carbonate. Therefore, 0.68 grams HCl, which is the dissolved mass of HCl present in its 0.7 present in its 25 ml 0.75 molar solution. 0.6 grams HCl will react with 100 divided by 73 multiplied by 0.68, and it comes equal to 0.93 grams calcium carbonate. This I had to calculate how much mass of calcium carbonate will react completely with 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl solution, and exact value is 0.93 grams of calcium carbonate will react completely. So idea was that first I used Molarity equation in order to calculate dissolved mass of HCl in its aqueous solution, and then I used idea from reaction stoichiometry. I used relation between reacted masses of calcium carbonate and HCl, which is conveyed to me by its reaction stoichiometry, in order to find the weight of mass of calcium carbonate, and it came equal to 0.93 gram. Thank you. This is what I have got for class 11th students today. See you day after tomorrow, because tomorrow is reserved for class 12 students, inshallah. Thank you.